Want to know how to use the templates or styles in Kimi AI before getting a result or prompting for slides, websites, and much more? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up kimi.com on your web browser. So you can just simply go to that or open up the app itself. So once I've done all of that, on the leftmost side you should be seeing various options right here. You can just simply choose any one of these, maybe slides, docs, or website. So now, in order to get templates, what you can do is here on the slides you should be seeing adaptive, and right beside it you should be seeing visual right here. So right here it should give you around 5 to 10 minutes and it should be quick. So you can also select your style right here, a 3D clip, blueprint, sketches, and once more. So you can just simply select any one of these and then start doing it. So you can just simply start writing your prompt and select enter and you should be good to go. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you on the next one.